GeminiBio is a great example of a company where it is exactly in the lane that West Sacramento wants to be in when it comes to the biotech space. It's a smaller company, but in terms of what brought them to West Sacramento, we have a uniquely situated community here where we have the building space, we have the talent in the market with UC Davis being so close, and we have a great location. What we try to do as a city is build those industry sectors to be near each other so they can sort of play off of each other and expand not just their own opportunities, but opportunities for other companies as well.
So we've been really rapidly expanding into the biotech space, which requires separation of some of our manufacturing. This facility really allows us to unlock whole new areas of business because of those requirements within the biotech space.
It's going to definitely improve our economic development plans and also enhance and provide opportunities for our youth through our home run program to have internship experience in the bioscience technology area.
The life science community is an industry that we could double or triple in size and literally build a better life for other people. So having Gemini be part of it, I just think it's another feather in the cap of what is becoming one of the most admired science communities in America.
I think it's real thrilling to be able to experience this moment where it's expanded and grown here in West Sacramento. So we're honored that they have selected West Sacramento to continue to expand for our community to be able to benefit from it as well.
So one of the other things that's been great about being in West Sacramento is really the support from the city. Without the support of the city as well as the Greater Sacramento Economic Council, things would have been much, much tougher than they were due to the supply chain challenges. It's just great to be part of a city that really wants to support the growth of the business to help the community.